You done?
Miss Filipina Americana! Hi guys! So today is my second day as a new US citizen. So yeah, hindi pa masyadong nagsisink in sa akin na grabe US citizen na pala ako, and I am now considered as a Filipino American, and hindi ko pa siya nafe-feel kasi I think it's because it's only been 2 days, that's why. Or siguro pagka nakuha ko na yung US passport ko, maybe yung maging reason para mas ma-feel ko siya. But yeah, anyways, I just really wanted to make this vlog today kasi gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung story kung paano ko pinrocess yung US citizenship ko. And at the same time, like, a little bit of life update na rin. Kasi hindi ako nakapag-upload. May backstory doon dahil nung umuwi kami ng Pilipinas, bago yung ginamit ko na video editor. So, ang nangyari, trial lang yung video editor na yon and nag-expire siya. And sobrang mahal nung video editor kaya hindi ko siya mabili agad. Kaya I was like, I wanted to wait a couple of weeks before I buy it. And then, yeah, nabili ko na siya recently and mag-edit na ulit ako. Marami pa akong Philippines vlog na hindi ko pa na-upload. Yung siguro yung isusunod ko na i-upload, or dahil nga US citizen na ako. I know some of you guys are asking me to make a video about my US citizenship experience or yung pag-process nung papers ko. So I'm also going to do a video about that, but dahil sobrang late na nung mga Philippines vlog ko, iniisip ko baka yun muna yung gawin ko kasi sobrang dami ko pang hindi na-upload na Philippines vlog. And kahit late na, i-upload ko pa rin talaga siya. Nung nasa Pilipinas ako, hindi kasi ako nag-edit ng vlogs kasi syempre gusto kong i-enjoy yung bakasyon ko and yung time ko with family and friends. Kaya hindi ako nag-edit doon. So yun, if you have any questions about being a US citizen or sa pag-process ng US citizenship, ilagay nyo na siya sa comment section below and gagawa tayo ng video about that. So ngayon naman guys, isasama ko kayo sa grocery store kasi bibili ako ng cake. Gagawa ako ng sarili kong US themed cake para mamaya sa celebration namin ng aking magiging US citizen. So yeah, isasama ko kayo. Mag-grocery shopping tayo. Hindi ko alam kung napanood nyo yung vlog ko na sinabi kong itutur ko kayo around dito sa neighborhood namin. Sobrang peaceful dito sa neighborhood namin guys. And kung nakikita nyo siya sa bintana, madaming mga puno. Anyways, kikwento ko sa inyo yung a little bit about yung process ko ng citizenship. So, actually last year, dapat mag-apply na ako ng citizenship ko. Kaso, uuwi nga kasi ako ng Pilipinas. So, diba umuwi ako ng January, kaya hindi ko siya final. Kasi kapag ka nag-file ako ng US citizenship last year before ako umuwi ng Pilipinas, kukunin nila yung green card ko. Which they did when I had my US citizenship interview. Kinuha nila yung green card ko and wala na yon. Like, i-shred na nila yon. Kasi US citizen ka na, so hindi mo na kailangan yung green card mo. Yeah, hindi ko muna siya final last year. Kasi last year, nung November, naka 5 years na kami dito sa US, which is yung requirement for US citizenship. Kaya, ayun. And it did work naman kasi nga, ayun, nakauwi ako ng Pilipinas, which was really fun. Marami pa akong hindi na-upload. Hindi ko pa na-upload yung Bohol vlog ko. And then, yung mga last days namin sa Pilipinas. So, yun. I think nag-file ako around March. And I only waited for a couple of weeks nung nag-email back sila sa akin ng biometrics and yung pinaka-interview ko. Dalawa siyang magkahiwalay na appointment. Yung biometrics mo yung una and then yung interview after, which was yung ginawa ko 2 days ago. And after that, I became a US citizen. So yeah. Came here. Ang kukunin ko lang or ang bibilin ko lang ay yung cake, icing, decorations. That's it, okay guys. Hindi tayo pwede gumastos ng madami. Hello, hello. I hope naririnig niyo ako guys. Ilalagay ko siya dito sa loob ng aking damit kasi baka isipin ng mga namimili dito na babaliw na ako. So. Anyways. Ayan, kapag naririnig niyo ako guys. Okay, papasok na tayo sa loob ng grocery store. Oh my god, first time ko mag-vlog ulit ng ganito. Oh my god guys, meron silang mga like American themed cupcakes dito. Like this. Perfect. Oh my god. I'll definitely do this one. I'll do this one too. O, diba? USA themed na agad. I think the reason why they have USA themed na cake is probably for 4th of July. Oh, meron silang ice cream cake. I think ice cream cake. This one's better. I'll do this one. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back. Nabili ko na yung pinapabili ni CJ for the burger for tonight. And pag uwi natin, gagawin ko yung cake. Pakita ko sa inyo guys, quick tour sa neighborhood namin. Yung tour ng mga bahay dito sa aming neighborhood. O diba, tinotour ko kayo. Hindi na ako naglalakad, nagda-drive na ako. Oh, char! Dati naglalakad lang ako. At syempre, hindi ko mapapakita yung bahay namin. So, yan. Quick quick tour. Pero pagka nagkaroon ako ng time again next time, basta pag nagkaroon ako ng time ulit, mag-vlog ako around here. Okay guys, we're home and I'm gonna do the cake right now. Ito yung cake na binili ko. It's an ice cream cake. Wala, natutunaw na siya. I think re-remove ko na lang tong icing. Anyways. Ayan. Butter pa rin. Hindi ko tama yung ginagawa ko, guys. Bilis. Oh my god, natutunaw na siya, guys. Oh my gosh. Have to put it in the fridge. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys, that was a fail. That's wala hindi na lang ice cream cake yung binili ko. But yeah, I am going to head out again soon kasi i-meet up ko si CJ. Minsan pinupuntahan ko siya dun sa work niya tapos sabay kami nagla-lunch. Sometimes nagko-Costco date kami. Doon kami kumakain sa Costco. Hi guys! I'm here at Costco. Hinantay ko si CJ and it's starting to rain. So sad. CJ is here. He's right there. Say hi! Hello! Hi! Oh my god. Hello! Your cart is so big. Sorry, my love. We are going to eat.
Nice and wet.
Nice and wet. I got hot dog and then cheese bake.
Chicken bake.
Chicken bake? Cheese bake, no?
Chicken bake.
Chicken bake. And then I have lemonade. Pepsi lang yung nakalagay, but it's lemonade. And he got a cookie. That's all he wants. Cheers. Cheers.
Now you're eating a chicken bake.
So good. I saw that one. Bye.
Bye.
Good rest of your day at work. Say goodbye to the vlog. See you later. Hi guys! So today is a different Friday. Last week yung first Friday na vlog ko. So I'm going to try to get my passport today. My US passport. Hopefully makuha ko siya today kasi nag-apply ako for urgent passport. Kasi we're trying to leave tonight. Punta kami ng Toronto ni CJ. Wala naman kami hinahabol na flight. We're just going to drive up to Toronto. Hopefully makuha ko siya talaga today. So right now it's 7:49. I'm trying to leave my car around 8 AM probably. So nandito na ako actually sa train station. Nakapark na ako dito sa train station. And I will be heading to New York kasi nandun yung passport agency. At sasama ko kayo sa journey ko sa pagkuha ko ng passport. So yes, let's go. I already finished checking in, so I am now going to try to wait to get my passport. have to get some rest, and we're leaving tonight, and I'm gonna be the one driving. So yeah, I think this will be all for my vlog. And if you guys have any questions about my US citizenship, comment nyo lang sa baba so I can answer it when I do the US citizenship process video. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to smile and be nice always. Bye guys! See you next time! Yay! We're done! Yee! I'm a US citizen now. Bye-bye!
Congratulations!
Yay! Bye-bye! I'm a US citizen now.
You done?
Yeah. Miss Filipina Americana.